Welcome to qnawire.
We consider a test of the null hypothesis that the population mean is equal to some given value. And for this test, the test statistic was z equals 1.63. And we're first asked, what is the p-value if the alternative hypothesis is that the population mean is greater than this value? So this is a situation where the alternative hypothesis is a greater than hypothesis, and therefore it's a right-tailed test. And for the right-tailed test, the p-value is equal to the probability of obtaining a test statistic greater than that obtained. So what is the probability that z is greater than 1.63? This is 1 minus the probability that z is at most 1.63. We can look up z equals 1.63 in the standard normal table. So 1.63 corresponds to a cumulative probability of 0.9484. And therefore the p-value is 0.0517. Then we're asked for the p-value if the alternative hypothesis is that the population mean is less than mu naught. This would be a left-tailed test, so the p-value is the probability of a test statistic smaller than that obtained. This would be 1 minus 0.0517, which is 0.9483. And third, we're asked for the p-value if the alternative hypothesis is that the population mean is different or not equal to mu naught. This is a two-tailed test, and for the two-tailed test, the p-value is the probability of a test statistic more extreme than the one obtained in either the positive or negative directions. So that's this value times 2, and that comes out to a p-value of 0.1034.